Good morning, students. Welcome to Stella Mary CBSE School online classes. Today, I am going to revise Unit 1 of Elga 6. All of you take your Elga 6 reader and Elga 6 workbook in your hand. Tell me now, what is meant by Elga? English language and general awareness. What are the components of Elga? Phonics, whole words, reading comprehension, grammar, writing expression. Phonics. It helps you to read the words using letter sounds. Whole words. We can read the whole words at the first sight. We can't blend whole words. It helps you to read fastly. Next, reading comprehension. It helps you to develop deep understanding of the text. Grammar. Practice English grammar rules to become a good writers and speakers. The last one is writing expression. Practice expressing your ideas and thoughts in English. Tell me now, what is the name of the first unit? Adventure. What is the meaning of adventure? A new and exciting experience or activity. What are the things you learned in phonics session? L blends and digraphs. Am I right? Okay. All of you take reader. Take SR1. Page number 6. Okay, what are the blend words you learn? What is this? Tell me, all of you, what is this? Claire. Claire. What is this? Flare. Flare. What is this? Plur. Plur. What is this? Blur. Blur. What is this? Gla. Gla. What is this? Splut. Splut. Now, look at the picture and read, all of you, okay? What is this? Clock. What is this? Clock. What is this? Class. Class. What is this? Cloud. Cloud. What is this? Clown. Clown. Okay, next. What is the sound? Fla. Okay, now read this. Look at the picture. What is this? Flag. 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 Fly. Flag. Fly. What is this? Flag. Flower. Flag. Flower. What is this? Flag. Floor. Flag. Floor. Next. What is the next thing? Next. Plur. What is this? Plur. Look at the picture. What is this? Plur. Plant. Plur. Plant. What is this? Plur. Plane. Plur. Plane. What is this? Plur. Plate. Plur. Plate. What is this? Plur. Plug. Plur. Plug. Okay, now all of you take SR8. Page number 13. SR8. What is the next thing? Blur. Say all of you. Okay. All of you read now. Blur. Blue. Blur. Blue. Blur. Blocks. Blur. Blocks. Blur. Blood. Blur. Blood. Blur. Black. Blur. Black. Take the next page. SR9. Page number 14. SR9. Okay, now what is this? What is this? What is this? Glass. Look at the picture, all of you. Gloves. Globe. Glow. Next. Okay. What is this? What is the sound? Split. Split. What is this? Split. What is this? Split. Spleen. Split. Spleen. What is this? Split. Splash. Split. Splash. What is this? Split. Splat. 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 What is this? Split. 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 Okay, now all of you take your workbook and pencil. Okay, now take page number 7. Take page number 7, that is WS2. WS2. Okay. Look at the picture. What is this? This is flag, isn't it? Flag. Flag. What is this? Flag. Flag. Now see here. What is the sound? Flag. What is this? Clap. So in this, which one will come here? Flag, flag. So which one you have to write? Flag. All of you take your pencil. Write the answer. What will come here? F, L. What is that? Flag. F, L. Flag. Flag, flag. Okay, now write the remaining answers. Complete WS2. Okay, I hope you all have finished. Okay, next we will move to reading comprehension. Now all of you take your reader. Take SR4. Take SR4. That is page number 9. Page number 9. SR4. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to revise the story Akshay and Aryan's holiday. Are you ready? Okay. Akshay and Aryan had come on a holiday. Akshay was tall and thin. Aryan was his younger brother who was short and plump. Okay, look at the picture. Here, who's Aryan and who's Akshay? Tell me. Yes. He is Akshay and he is Aryan. Isn't it? Okay. So the next one. Akshay and Aryan ran to the beach. Let us go surfing, Akshay said. Take Aryan with you, said Mom. So now Akshay and Aryan ran to the beach, isn't it? So Akshay said, let's go surfing. That time his mom said, take Aryan with you. Take Aryan with you. Okay, see the next one. Aryan went with Akshay. They went into the sea. Aryan looked scared. The waves are too big for me. Look at the face of Aryan. Scared, isn't it? For him, the waves are too big. Isn't it? See the picture, all of you. Look at the picture. Take the next page. SR5. All of you take the next page. SR5. So now, Aryan went back to the beach. Akshay looked disappointed. No more surfing for me, he said. See the picture? Look at the picture carefully now. See? Now Aryan went back to the beach. He was scared. Look at the face of Akshay. Akshay looked disappointed. What is the meaning of disappointed? sad, isn't it? Look at the picture carefully. He looks sad. Akshay looked disappointed. Not happy, isn't it? Okay. He then looked at Aryan. What are you looking at? He asked. I want to try skateboarding, said Aryan. So for that, what Akshay said? Yes, Akshay looked at Aryan and smiled. Okay, let us go skateboarding. Take the next page. And now, skateboarding was fun. They went down the ramp again and again. Both of them enjoyed it a lot. Look at the picture. They went down again and again, isn't it? Now they both enjoyed a lot. Listen, all of you. So, Akshay was tall and thin. Aryan was short and plump, isn't it? And this is Akshay and Aryan's mom. So this place is, what is this? It is beach. Okay. So now they both were surfing. That time Aryan scared. The waves are too big, isn't it? So Aryan went back to the beach. So now Akshay was disappointed. Aryan said he wanted to try skateboarding. So now both of them have a lot of fun, isn't it? They went down the ramp again and again. Both of them enjoyed skateboarding a lot, isn't it? Okay, when you are reading a story, first thing is you have to identify physical character traits. Okay? That is, you have to describe the character based on what you see with your own eyes. Second thing is, you have to guess the meaning of new words. Next thing is, you have to sequence the events. And next, you have to describe about the setting. And at last, you have to learn and practice the vocabulary words. Okay? So, in the character traits, what is the first thing you have to see? You have to see the name of the character. Okay? So second thing what you have to see, how does the character look? Next is how to see the evidence from the story. Okay. Read the story Akshay and Aryan's Holiday from the SR and fill in the table below. Name of the character. Second one is, how does the character look? The next one is evidence from the story. So tell me now, what are the characters? Tell the name of the characters. Akshay and Aryan. Okay, shall we write? Okay, take your pencil. Next, we have to write, how does the character look? We have to write about Akshay, isn't it? Okay. Tell me the answer. What you have to write? Tall and thin. Isn't it? Tall and thin. Next, what you have to write? Evidence from the story. What is the answer? Akshay was tall and thin. Shall we write? Okay. What is the next name of the character? Aryan. Okay, now write, how does Aryan look? And write the evidence from the story. Okay? Okay, now tell me how to find the meanings of a new words. Yes, for example, in the first picture, let us see this picture. This here, plump is a new word, isn't it? Okay. How to guess the meaning? How to guess the meaning? Tell me. First thing is, you have to look at the picture. Okay, you have to look at the picture. See here, Aryan was his younger brother who was short and plump. So first thing is, you have to look at the picture. Second thing is, you have to read the sentence again. The next thing is, ask yourself, okay? Like, see the picture. After that, it is actually here, who's Aryan? He is Aryan, isn't it? So, plump means what? Can you guess now? Little fat. Isn't it? Little fat. Isn't it? Okay. Next thing is sequencing events. You have to sequence the events into 3 parts: beginning, middle and end. So, in the sequencing events, you have to sequence the events into 3 parts: beginning, middle and end. In the beginning, you have to see who are the characters and what is the setting. In the middle, you have to see what happens to the characters. In the end, you have to see how are the characters different than they were at the beginning of the story. Okay? So in this story, beginning, Akshay and Aryan have come for a holiday to a beach with their parents. They both go surfing in the sea. Isn't it? In the beginning, they go surfing in the sea. Okay. But in the middle, what happened? Aryan gets scared. Akshay and Aryan came back to the beach. So now Akshay feels sad. Akshay feels disappointed. So at the end, what happened? Aryan said he wants to try skateboarding. So they go skateboarding. So now Aryan and Akshay have a lot of fun, isn't it? Okay, next we will move to grammar session. What is adjective? Adjective describe the noun. They tell us about nouns, isn't it? Okay. What is noun? Noun is naming word, isn't it? Okay. It can be a name of a place, person, thing, isn't it? Okay. Can you say some example of noun? Yes. Chair, pencil, elephant, Chennai, isn't it? Yes. Okay, good. So, adjectives are describing words. Okay, look at the picture. So, adjective describe what color it is, what size, what shape, how does something smell, how does something feel, how does something taste. Isn't it? Yes. Okay, say some examples of adjectives. Big, small, slow, fast, wet, dry, cold, warm, salty, juicy, isn't it? Okay. Okay, all of you take workbook WS3, that is page number 8. Okay. Second one, it is adjective. Adjectives. Read the heading, read the sentences and circle the adjectives. See the first example. I saw a tall boy coming towards us. So see the example, all of you. I saw a tall boy coming towards us. So here boy is a noun. Tall is an adjective. See the question number A. We bought a red hat for my brother. Here, which one is adjective? Red. All of you circle the adjective red. Complete up to question number D. I hope you all have completed. Okay.